If you have 1.5 to 6-year-old at home, you must check out Flintoclass at home. And I'll tell you why. Meet my son Riyansh. जैसे हम सब घर से काम कर रहे हैं, ये भी प्री स्कूलिंग घर से कर रहा है with online classes. Along with all the nakras that kids do. मम्मा आज क्लासेस नहीं करना, मम्मा नींद नहीं आ रही, मम्मा भूख लग रहा है. And if you think about it, at this vital age, when they are curious about everything around them, how are they going to learn only sitting in front of a screen? And moreover, it is still not safe for children to step out. That's why I highly recommend Flintoclass at Home, a hybrid preschool program delivered at your doorstep. Flintoclass is a perfect combination of hands-on sensory experiences which are fun and attractive, and digitally minimal pre-recorded sessions by top educators. मैं आपको बता नहीं सकती कि रियांश को फ्लिंटो क्लास में कितना मज़ा आता है. उसका कंसंट्रेशन बिल्ट हुआ है, उसका मैथ्स, ईवीएस, फोनिक्स सबका बेस कितना स्ट्रांग हुआ है. एंड फ्लिंटो क्लास इज नॉट ओनली अबाउट पढ़ाई पढ़ाई पढ़ाई. In just 1 year, each child gets exposure to 575 multi-sensory experiences that will boost their cognitive abilities and creative strength. The program is easy on kids and for us. All the materials are packed and delivered for easy use. Setup time, 2 minutes. So why go for online classes when you can choose real learning? Enroll your child in Flinto Class at Home today, and you can thank me later.